People have often asked, what would you like to be remembered about you? I've been given so many extraordinary opportunities, and I would like to know that I've made a contribution. And if when I'm gone it says, he made a major contribution to the lives of millions, that'd be an extraordinary thing to say about me. But I think as long as toward the end of your life you find yourself respected by your family and your close friends, that's probably just about as good as it gets. They know who you are probably better than anyone else. They know your dignity. They know your service. They know your dreams. They know your commitments. They know the hard work you've done. They know the contribution you've made better than anyone else. And if you have their respect toward the end of your life, family and close friends, whether the world recognizes it or not, or sees it or not, or whether they build a statue in your honor or fail to put your name in the Hall of Fame, it really wouldn't matter that much.